everyone, today we have Samsung S8 not turning on, just turn while in charger. Okay, so the charger now is on. You can see by your own it's charging. Power the device on. The device can be power on. Okay, now remove the charger. It turned off automatically. Now we can judge that there is something with battery or with charging port. Let's check the problem again with the charger on. Now it's being charged. Power it on. And remove the charger. Now let's start removing the back glass. Start heating at 250 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds. Remember, there is a flex cable for the fingerprint in the back glass. Don't push any plastic tool near the camera and the fingerprint sensor. As you can see, the fingerprint flex cable. Oh my god, it seems the battery flex cable is broken inside the device. What a problem. First time seeing something like this. Let's now remove the plastic shield and look closely. The flex cable is broken inside. See yourself. First time this thing happens. This was the problem. The battery wasn't connected, so the phone couldn't charge and couldn't power on when you remove the charger. That's why the phone shut down after remove the charger. All we need now is to remove the broken battery and replace it with new battery and then assemble the phone. This was easy to be fixed. Don't push the battery too much with the tool because under it the screen, so be patient when you're removing it. Any force could break the screen under it, so easy on it. This is something we never seen. I can't imagine how this happens. Okay, put the new battery and assemble the phone, power it on, to make sure everything is working properly. Now assemble it and have a nice day. That was for today. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe for me. We will see you in the next video. Ciao. You wanna thank me? By like and subscribe. Click that ring to get all my videos. Stay tuned for the next problem.